Hey guys, Matt Boyce again here with Greensward. We're going to talk a little bit today about plant maintenance going into the fall. It's been through summer, the plants have made it, they're looking strong. What can we do through the fall and the winter time to help them in the springtime? A couple things you can do is you can soil sample the beds. That will allow you to understand the nutritional value that's in the soil, which is either working against you or for you in your plants. And what you're looking for is basically calcium, potassium, and magnesium. We'll go into that in a different time. The other thing that you can do in February with these grasses is actually cut those down. You can look at just a general landscape fertility, which is usually like a ratio of 4:1:2, if that makes sense. So 4:1:2 on a scale. It may come in like a 12:3:6 or 12:4:6, so to speak. But just an overall landscape fertilizer is great to apply in the fall. It helps recovery from anything that happens over the summertime, generates roots through the fall with the warmer temperatures, and then sits there for in the springtime when you're ready to go. Keep it green.